years ago, an incredible magic trick by To Me Magic was released. It was performed by professionals all over the world, both on social media and live performances. We were so inspired by this that we took a new design, made it more organic, and that everybody will recognize as soon as they see it. You will receive 2 gimmicks already personalized and extra accessories to show you step by step how to create your own gimmick. You will learn how to perform this in just a few minutes. It's real magic. It's magic that will always be in your hands. This will be a killer effect for all your audience. Are you ready? This is Sweet Explosion.